So, Florence Pugh and Harry Styles are a happily married couple in this very secretive but idyllic community called Victory that's run by Chris Pine's character. But one day, Florence Pugh's character witnesses a violent death, and that then kind of knocks her out of her daydream and realises that the town that she's been living in and the people around her are not what they seem, and there's all a big mystery underneath it.
It's not a remake of Stepford Wives.
Right,
no,
I was going to say that.
It is. It's very, very derivative of the Stepford Wives, or Black Mirror, Twilight Zone, any of those kind of like 50s, 60s, 70s kind of sci-fi things. I'll put it to you this way: I came home from this, and my wife was in bed, completely snowed under with a head cold. In 5 minutes, she was able to guess the entire plot of this film. Like, just from not having seen anything, just from seeing the trailers, she was able to guess the entire plot and the big twist into it.
Yeah.
So there is a big twist.
A gigantic twist that you can see coming a mile down the road. Like, literally, like, in the first, 10 minutes, you're like, I bet you it's this, and then, bam, sure enough it is.
OK, what's good? Is there anything good about it? Like, how's the acting? Florence Pugh is set up to be, herself and Saoirse Ronan are, the next generation, and they'll be going for decades.
100%. Like, Florence Pugh is the best thing about this film.
Okay.
She is. She's brilliant in it. She is just... In every scene, she's acting everyone else off the screen.
Okay.
Even Chris Pine, who is a really, really good actor, and you give him the right thing, he can be brilliant.
He can be, yeah.
He can be really good. Like, look at Hell or High Water. Fantastic in that. Harry Styles, God bless him, I don't know, he either needs acting lessons or he needs to kind of ease off a little bit, because I think he was put under pressure. He was really kind of... it was all on him to kind of save this film, or at least to kind of act as a counterweight to Florence Pugh.
Which is weird, because he shouldn't have to do that. You've got Florence Pugh in the main role.
Yeah, but I mean, it is supposed to be about their relationship.
Yeah.
But every
and
time...
he wasn't up to it.
Not in the slightest.
Okay.
And every time the two of them were together, she was just acting him off the screen. So... And again, that might be kind of slyly the point, that she's kind of figuring things out quicker than him, and that she's just sort of more aware of what's going on around her.
And there's the whole juxtaposition of life of what's going on with this supreme male leader and the fact that women are being sidelined, so that could be a thread through. What are you giving it?
2 out of 5.
I really
the drama
want to see
around
this
it.
because the
you
drama.
haven't seen it yet?
No, but I want to see it because the drama around it.
But that's the thing. I think more people are going to see this out of curiosity and to see what was all the fuss about, than actually go see it and enjoy it. People will go see it on the opening weekend, but the second weekend people will be like...
And you're seeing Harry Styles and you're seeing Chris Pine and going, did he really spit on him? Did he do that?
He didn't spit on him. He didn't spit on him.
Oh my
God. He did not spit on him.
He didn't. They clearly are friends.
Okay,
They're clearly friends.
Okay.